guys, welcome to Cook with RV3. I'm Vibha and today I'm going to show you how to make an eggless vanilla sponge cake, which is a very easy recipe and yummy too. So the things that we're going to need are half a can of condensed milk or milk maid, 150 milliliters of milk, 1/4 cups of maida or plain flour, half a teaspoon of soda bicarbonate, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 90 grams of melted butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, and 1.5 tablespoons of powdered sugar. So now first I'm going to mix in my dry ingredients. Give it a good mix around. After mixing it, keep the dry ingredients aside and now mix in your wet ingredients. So first in goes our melted butter, our powdered sugar. Give it a good mix. Then add in your vanilla essence, condensed milk, and now we are going to pour in our milk. Now we are going to gradually add in our dry ingredients. So I feel now that the batter is fluffy enough and this is the consistency that we are looking for. So now I have taken a spring-form square-shaped pan number 2 and I have greased it, and now I'm going to dust it with some flour. So now we're going to pour in our batter. Tap it gently to prevent any air bubbles. Now put it in your microwave for 7 minutes. Whoa, the cake is rising! Okay, so it's done and now I'm going to take it out of the microwave. Wow, 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 look at the sponge cake! It is so fluffy and soft and mouth-watering too. So yeah, do like, comment, share and subscribe to Cook with RV3 for more such fantastic video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.